The Toyota Supra MK4 twin-turbo is one of the most legendary sports cars ever built. Known for its iconic design, incredible tuning potential, and powerful 2JZ engine. With its sleek curves, aggressive stance, and motorsport heritage, the MK4 Supra has become a symbol of performance and car culture worldwide. Its twin-turbocharged power and balanced engineering make it a true driver's machine. However, even legends are not immune to time. This particular Supra arrives in a neglected condition. The once glossy paint has faded. Scratches and imperfections cover the body, and exterior components have lost their sharp finish. The interior shows clear signs of wear, with aged materials and a lack of the original premium feel. Despite its condition, the soul of this iconic car remains strong. The restoration begins with a full inspection and deep cleaning process. Years of dirt and contaminants are carefully removed to reveal the true state of the vehicle. Advanced paint correction techniques are applied to eliminate swirl marks and restore a deep mirror-like finish. Every panel is refined to bring back the Supra's signature shine. Attention then shifts to the interior. Seats are cleaned and restored. Dashboard elements are detailed, and worn components are refreshed to rebuild the driver-focused cabin. Every detail is handled with precision.
Thank you so much, son.
To maintain the authenticity of this classic
helps
machine.
more than you know.
Mechanical systems are inspected and refined, ensuring the legendary 2JZ twin-turbo engine performs as powerfully as it was designed to. Step by step, the Toyota Supra MK4 twin-turbo returns to its full glory. Fast,
straps are tight
aggressive,
back here,
and visually
boss.
stunning once again. This is not just restoration. This is the rebirth of an icon.
The block is completely charred.
Yeah, we'll need to source a new turbo as well. This one's melted.
Okay, bumper's off. Wow, look at that. The radiator's punctured, and the reinforcement beam is definitely twisted.
Does that look flush on your side?
Almost. Push it slightly towards the fender. There, that's perfect.
Okay, give me 25 foot-pounds on the intake side.
25, copy that.
Watch the clearance on the manifold.
Clear. Bring it down slowly.
Listen to that purr. Perfect.
We did it, boss. It sounds incredible.
Looks clean. Did you secure the trigger wire?
Yep. Just snip the excess. All connections look good.